Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using UnitedHealthcare's telehealth services. UnitedHealthcare offers a convenient way to access healthcare from the comfort of your home, or wherever you happen to be, through their telehealth platform. Located at uhc.com/member-resources/health-care-tools/telehealth-virtual-care, this virtual care option provides a range of services designed to make managing your health simpler and more accessible. Whether you're dealing with a minor ailment, need a quick consultation, or require a prescription refill, telehealth can often be a faster and more efficient alternative to traditional in-person doctor visits. This online resource allows you to connect with qualified healthcare professionals remotely, saving you time and travel expenses. Through the platform, you can address various non-emergency medical needs, potentially avoiding unnecessary trips to the doctor's office or urgent care. The website provides detailed information about the types of conditions that can be addressed virtually, helping you determine if telehealth is the right solution for your specific situation. UnitedHealthcare's telehealth platform empowers you to take control of your healthcare journey by offering flexible and convenient access to professional medical guidance. Exploring the website allows you to discover the full range of available services and understand how this valuable resource can fit into your overall healthcare strategy. By embracing telehealth, you can experience a more streamlined and efficient approach to managing your health, leveraging technology to improve your well-being. The specific services offered may vary depending on your individual plan and location, so be sure to check the website for the most accurate and up-to-date information relevant to your situation. Utilizing this digital healthcare tool can significantly improve access to care, especially for those with busy schedules or limited transportation options. It's a modern solution designed to meet the demands of today's fast-paced world.